The Revlon Smooth and Perfect Face Diffuser. We used this for the first time last night. I'm gonna attach a video, and I tend to get peach fuzz right here and some hairs down here. And what it also did was kind of slough off any dead skin. So you've heard of dermablading, dermaplaning. This doesn't advertise as that. It just advertises as a defuzzer, and that's exactly what it does. It defuzzes, but it also had taken off some dead skin. Worked well, nice and sharp, easy to use. This is kind of what it looks like. There we go. This is what it looks like, kind of up close. I did make sure to clean it off with alcohol before and after the use. It was really easy. Short, small strokes down, and you'll see in the video the peach fuzz and skin coming off. What else? What else? And when I put on makeup today, so this is the next morning, you can see my skin is visibly smoother, not the fuzziness there, but Revlon Face Diffuser comes in a 2-pack, and yeah, didn't irritate my skin whatsoever. Was able to put on product after and this morning, the diffuser.